Hey, knowledge lovers! Today we're diving into the best Unreal Engine courses on Coursera. From zero to cinematic world building, to rigorous C++ for gameplay, to art pipelines that bring Blender assets to life in UE5. The links to access the courses will be in the video description. Let's dive in. 1. Unreal Engine for Beginners, Skillshare. If you want a fast, practical on-ramp to UE5, this beginner specialization focuses on cinematic world building, character creation with MetaHuman, and production workflows like camera animation, live tracking, chroma keying, and DMX lighting. It's a 3-course series designed for newcomers and recently updated, with hands-on projects that culminate in a finished cinematic scene. You'll learn to craft photoreal environments, set interior lighting, animate cameras, and export portfolio-ready renders, ideal for aspiring filmmakers, game prototypers, and real-time 3D creators who want to see results quickly. 2. Game Design, Epic Games. This 8-course program blends foundational game design theory with UE5 practice, ideation and balancing, world building, level design, blueprint scripting, UX/UI, audio, and a capstone where you ship a playable prototype. It's beginner-friendly, with structured projects and assessments that stack toward a final delivery game. Expect a clear Unreal learning path, from fundamentals to blueprints to level design grayboxing, plus guidance on collaboration and source control. Time estimates and pacing are spelled out, and every course leans into applied, hands-on work. 3. C++ Programming for Unreal Game Development, University of Colorado. Prefer to code your gameplay? This 4-course intermediate specialization teaches modern C++ and shows exactly how that C++ powers UE games. You'll build console apps, then apply the same concepts inside Unreal: input, loops, arrays/T-array, classes, event handling, and file I/O, through numerous exercises and structured projects. The track is designed for learners with some prior programming experience and focuses on professional habits, debugging, documentation, object-oriented design, and performance-aware patterns you'll reuse in production. 4. Unreal Engine Ultimate Survival Horror Course. Packed, this 3-course specialization walks you through building a first-person survival horror game. No coding required. You start by setting up core game architecture, then add movement, cameras, HUD, interaction systems, doors, flashlights, stamina, and inventory. From there, you layer in atmosphere and tension, lighting/fog, audio, enemy AI that patrols and chases, and classic horror mechanics and jump scares. The result is a complete, eerie playable experience and a great portfolio piece if you love the genre. I pause here to mention that if you want to take all these courses, you don't need to pay for them one by one. Just by purchasing the Coursera Plus subscription, you will have access to all these courses and more than 7,000. We will leave you the link in the video description at the best price. Let's continue. 5. Blender to Unreal Engine, Become a Dungeon Prop Artist. Packed, focused on 3D asset creation, this path teaches modeling and texturing in Blender, then importing, material setup, collisions, and lighting inside UE5. You'll move from simple props to complex medieval-themed assets using techniques like geometry nodes, trim sheets, and advanced materials. Projects emphasize building a modular dungeon kit, over 50 game-ready props, then integrating them into UE5 with attention to optimization and real-time rendering. Perfect for artists who want to own the pipeline from Blender to Unreal. 6. Blender Free to Unreal Engine 5 Dungeon Modular Kit Bash. Packed. If modular environment design is your goal, this specialization shows how to create a kit bash pack in Blender 3. Unwrap UVs, structure assets efficiently, and assemble it all in UE5 with lighting, post-processing, and HDRI techniques. The applied project is a full dungeon scene, complete with simulations and interactive elements, so you finish with a cohesive environment that demonstrates modeling, texturing, import, and scene assembly skills. 7. Blender to Unreal Engine 3D Plants and Vegetation. Packed. Environment artists will appreciate this vegetation-focused track. Model foliage in Blender, texture for realism, optimize materials/animations, and integrate everything into UE5. It covers shrubs, grasses, flowers, and scene setup for lifelike results. Beyond asset creation, you'll learn rendering and workflow choices that keep performance high while maintaining visual quality, key for large outdoor levels and open-world vibes. All of these courses can be taken without having to pay for each one, simply by acquiring the Coursera Plus subscription that offers more than 7,000 courses by only paying a monthly or annual fee. The link with the best price will be in the video description. Until next time, knowledge lovers.